Hello, kids! Welcome to Writing by Planet Spark.
Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today.
Hello, my little writing stars. Are you ready for a super fun writing challenge today? First, grab a pencil, grab a paper, sit nice and straight, because today we are playing Guess the Animal. I say meow. I love milk.
Who am I? The correct answer, C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. I say, woof, woof. I am your best friend. Who am I? The correct answer, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. I love mud. I am pink. Who am I? The correct answer, P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. I give milk. I say moo. Who am I? The correct answer, C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. I run very fast. I have horns. Who am I? The correct answer, D-E-E-R.
Deer.
D-E-E-R.
Deer. Please like and subscribe the channel.
I give eggs. I say cluck. Who am I? The correct answer, H-E-N.
Hen.
H-E-N.
Hen.
I hop and eat carrots. I have long ears. Who am I? The correct answer, R-A-B-B-I-T.
Rabbit.
R-A-B-B-I-T.
Rabbit.
I live in water. I swim all day. Who am I? The correct answer, F-I-S-H.
Fish.
F-I-S-H.
Fish.
I swing on trees. I love bananas. Who am I? The correct answer, M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Monkey. 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 I have black and white stripes. I look like a horse. Who am I? The correct answer, Zebra.
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 Zebra. Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below.
I am the king of the jungle. I roar loudly. Who am I? The correct answer, Lion.
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 I have a long trunk. I am very big. Who am I? The correct answer,
ELEPHANT.
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 Elephant. I have a long neck. I eat leaves from tall trees.
who am I?
The correct answer,
GIRAFFE.
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 Giraffe. I live in cold places. I am black and white.
Who am I? The correct answer,
PEACOCK.
Penguin.
PEACOCK.
Penguin. I have colorful feathers. I dance in the rain.
who am I? The correct answer,
PEACOCK.
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 Peacock. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.